Hey there, today I'll be talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge, but before I do that, please subscribe and like this channel and video for more videos on digital marketing and entrepreneurship. If you're new here, my name is Leah, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the One Funnel Away Challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day challenge. You get live coaching on Facebook conducted by Russell Brunson, who is a creator of ClickFunnels, Steven Larson, who used to be ClickFunnels funnel builder, and Julie Stoyne. Now, you get 30 days coaching from this. You get to learn how to build your funnel to launch your product. Now, what exactly is a funnel? A funnel is intended to drive more sales for your business. Basically, the concept of a funnel is that if you are trying to sell like a $1,000 product, it's very hard to convert someone from landing on your page to buying that $1,000 product. Now, if someone were to find your funnel, land on a page, and you're offering a $7 product, they're more inclined to open their wallet for a $7 product. Once they have opted in to buy something for $7, then you can move them on throughout your funnel through a series of upsells, generating more money from that one person, because data says that if someone opens up their wallet the first time, they're more inclined to keep buying from you versus someone who never opened their wallet. They're not going to go buy that 1,000 product in the end. So the One Funnel Away Challenge is going to help you create your funnel for your offering. Now, in order to quit exchanging time for money, creating a product is the best way to go, so you can sell more of it, scale more, and reach a wider audience because you're not having to exchange your time for money. So if you're like, say, a graphic designer and you are exchanging your time to be creating like websites or whatnot, you can create a course instead to teach business owners how to create their own websites and sell that course and reach more of a mass audience. And then you're not exchanging your time for money. You can pre-record everything and do it that way. And there's all kinds of other instances where you can use a funnel to drive more sales to your product. You get the Facebook group and you get a login dashboard for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Every single day there will be a new video posted. It's not going to be like you get 30-day supply all at once of daily coaching. It's going to appear once every single day. It's going to open up to you every single day. You actually get a physical box when you order the challenge, and it comes with several things. Now, I did a video on unboxing the One Funnel Away Challenge box, but it includes like a book of how successful entrepreneurs would do their business again if they had to. You get a whole thing on how they would do that. There's also a digital version, but basically you get a workbook, you get audio, you get a book. There's quite a few things that you get. It's totally worth the price. Now, it's 30 days, but there's actually 5 weeks in this challenge because there is a pre-week. It's all about mindset and belief that you are able to do this. You can make the profit. Just believe in yourself. You can do this. Week 1, you are offer hacking. So the belief is that you don't create your own thing, what you think people need or what you want to offer. You have to validate your offer by making sure that it's already selling out there. Someone out there is already creating profit with this product. So you're going to learn how to offer hack existing offers out there already, so you're not wasting your time creating something that is never going to sell. You have validation that this product, this offering is what an audience wants, and you're going to make a ton of money from it. The second week is all about publishing. So you're going to learn how to publish daily online, build a brand, build a customer base. If you're brand new, completely brand new to online marketing, online business, this is a great week for you. If you're a veteran, this is still an awesome week because you learn so much about your customer base, creating your own story, having the epiphany of how you got here to there, which is all part of your story and your branding. It's a really awesome week. The third week is all about creating your funnel. You're going to create this funnel online, learn how to do all of it. You'll get a funnel example, which you can just use as a template and copy it, change the wording around, and you'll be able to show other people in the group who are doing the same thing as you, get some feedback and all that good stuff. And then also your fourth week, you are going to learn how to launch it, how to create the Facebook ad to drive traffic onto your funnel. But before that, about the offer hacking, you're also going to learn how to find the people that are going to help you create your offer, help you build your funnel, because sometimes not everyone is very techy. So you're going to learn how to create a team for your funnel, for your business, because the whole thing of a entrepreneur is you're solely in charge of profit. But that does not mean that you need to be creating everything. Learning everything that you don't know yet is going to require time. It's going to end up being like procrastination is going to happen, because if you don't know how to do it, if you don't want to do it, that way you will be taught how to get a team to do all the things for you. You'll learn how much that would cost you versus how much your actual worth is, and you spending all that time. You'll see how building a team is way better than you trying to come up with everything on your own. Now, the One Funnel Away Challenge, it happens every 2 weeks. Before, it was happening at least only once a month. So it depends on how ClickFunnels is going to do this. They could change this in the future, but as of now, the live coaching, the Facebook group, is happening every 2 weeks, and you also get the dashboard. So once you've completed the challenge, after 30 days, you'll be able to access your dashboard forever, basically. All your videos, all the live coaching will be in that dashboard that you have access to in the future. So if you miss one video, 2 videos, 5 videos, you can refer back to it. Why should you take the challenge? You should take the challenge if you want to scale your business, you want to learn how to build profitable offers. This is the ultimate challenge. You will learn so much. I know I did. The price of this challenge is only $100, and I guarantee it'll be the best $100 you've ever spent. Russell Brunson is the ultimate original funnel builder. He is the funnel king paired with Steven Larson. This is the team that created ClickFunnels, is the one that created the 2 Comma Club, which is the club where if you produce $1 million through a funnel, you will get awarded with the 2 Comma Club. So if you want from the original, take this challenge. Highly recommend it. You have access to all the videos, the coaching, all of those forever, not just a one-time thing. And also what you also get with this is the 30-day affiliate bootcamp that ClickFunnels also has. So if you are wanting to do an affiliate business, you'll learn from a bunch of different successful affiliate marketers out there and how they would run their affiliate marketing business. So that's another set that you would get, a whole new bunch of new training separate from the One Funnel Away Challenge that you get access to, plus the book that comes with your physical box. When you get the challenge, you also get the thing about how these people, successful funnel builders, would recreate their business and how they would go about it. You also get those examples. So there's so much value in the One Funnel Challenge that it's hard to pass it by, because you will learn so much. Highly suggest it if you are wanting to take the One Funnel Away Challenge, or you want to learn more about it. Check out the landing page. I got the link down below, and if you have any questions, just feel free to post it and I'll make sure to answer it. Okay, have a great day, and comment down below if you've done the One Funnel Away Challenge or if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.